Okay, so I have a little device here that Seagate was nice enough to send me. It is a Genshin Impact SSD. Okay, we're going to talk about it. I'm just going to show it here and then show some of the features that it can do. Okay, first of all, this is an official product. Okay, officially a collab between Genshin Impact and Seagate. You can actually tell by how much detail it has on it. Look at the detail here, and then the detail here. Now, this is a 1 terabyte SSD, okay? It's a 1 terabyte of storage SSD, Genshin Impact limited edition. Yeah, Genshin Impact limited edition SSD. Okay. Limited edition. I'm not sure how many. And if you feel here that you can feel the grooves and stuff, it feels very nice to the touch. These also feel nice to the touch. But wait, there is more. Okay. I have my iPhone right here. Now, unfortunately, I had to take the case off my iPhone because the little USB type C cable, which it says it's a 3.2 USB type C cable, wouldn't plug into the iPhone without it. Okay, so when you have it plugged in, this happens, okay? Let me do it again for you to see. This happens. It lights up. It lights up on the back, and of course the regular front indicator. But this isn't just a cool laser light show on your phone. If we go to the file app, if we go to the file app on the iPhone, and then we go to Seagate. It actually shows up on storage. See, Seagate. So it's not just like you can plug it into your phone for a laser light show. It literally works on your phone, on your iPad, on your computer. So it's actually a portable external SSD. And just to show you guys what it looks like when I don't have the SSD plugged into it. So yeah, this SSD is very good. I like it. I like the collab. It actually came with stickers, Genshin Impact stickers, which if you go over to one of my other channels, unboxing channel, I'll put the link in the description below, you'll actually see me unboxing this. What's funny is this plugged in from my point of view. It's, well, I guess from every point of view, it's upside down. So it would be more like this, which I guess would be more accurate because when you're like sitting at your desk, you'd plug in this, end to like your computer or something. So this would always be facing towards you. So yeah, this would always be facing towards you no matter what, which is very good. And yeah, I just think this is a nice, pleasant SSD. I'm trying to get a perfect read for you guys so you guys can see it a little more up close and personal. Yeah, there we go. There we go. You guys can see it now. Okay, so yeah, definitely let me know if you guys would be interested in even getting a limited edition SSD like this, so you'll have, you can look at it while you're transferring data, all that jazz. Genshin Impact themed. How many of you guys play Genshin Impact? I'm curious. Let me know your thoughts and everything. Comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.